Hi YouTube, today is a really exciting day because we are going to be installing the new Remark full titanium exhaust. Only 10 of these were made and the first one was on Daniel Song's Supra. If you haven't seen it before, I'll insert a picture right here. TK from Remark is going to be visiting us and we're going to be putting the Supra up here on the lift and putting it on. Excited. Son is unpacking the exhaust right now. So beautiful. Look at that burnt titanium. So the exhaust is entirely titanium and it even retains the stock electronic valve function, and this whole thing is titanium too. So that's pretty cool. We are doing the sound clips right now, so because of the valve, a lot of people like to ask what it sounds like with the valve closed and open. Obviously it's a lot louder with it open. You can hear the pops and bangs and everything. If you want to see the sound clip, it's going to be on Remark exhaust channel, so you can go over there and check it out. It looks so pretty. I'm so excited to have this on. Look at that purple and pink. Most titanium exhausts, there is mostly blue, but you can see a lot of purple in this one. Very beautiful. I love it. It looks so good and it sounds so good. Okay, mother, let's do a haul. Somebody just gave me a thumbs up. Now I'm shy.